tonight we're going to one of Salamanca's cofradias. So we've been talking about the cofradias because they're basically the only groups that Franco would allow to meet during the dictatorship.
It was great going to the Gazette because we got to learn a bit about Spain's history, especially here in Salamanca.
We got to walk around the city and learn about the history of Miguel Unamuno and his life and kind of the different places that he lived and worked in Salamanca.
I have never been in a recording studio before. It is super cool.
We got to meet the mayor of the town. We got to see some of the history of the town, how the town works, ask him questions, and then we got to see an old style house.